Alright. I'm playing fetch with Foxy. It's funny, so I had to video it. I'm making some pants for a belly dance costume, and I got out my tape, and so she starts carrying it around. So I threw it across the room, and she goes, finds it, and brings it back, so I'll throw it again. Oh my dear. Foxy used to play fetch with a ball, those little rubber bouncy balls, and not as good as her though. This is awesome. She's apparently as bored as I am. Hey, Foxy girl. And this is the best one if I can get her to do this again. She goes under Dave's desk, but she slides first. See if it'll happen. Oh no, I didn't get it under. Let's try again. Right here. That's a girl. Right to the hand. Makes me laugh. Hey, you make mommy laugh. Go get it. Right here. Bring it closer. Here. Oh. Look for some attention now. Try under the desk again. I can do it this time. She landed on the book. Where is it? Anyway, there's my amusement. Hope you enjoyed.